Hi guys, so I just received a packaging that I was waiting for a while now. I'm really excited, guys. So I bought a Sentro machine knitting and I've been wanting this for so long, and I finally got the courage to buy it. I know it can be a little bit controversial because it's not like hand knitted, but we are here to have fun, guys, and I really like to experiment and try new things, so I thought that I could give it a go. So I also bought the version with 48 needles. I think it's more versatile and I can try a lot of different things, but I know that they do smaller versions where you can knit, for example, sleeves and things like that. So they have like an instruction thing and tips before you start. They explain a little bit about the machine, that is more like a kid's toy, but no one cares. They also bring like 4 yarns. I don't know the composition, but probably acrylic. And then we have these guys. So I'm going to put these together and just explore a little bit. If you're like me, you are going to put this together without seeing the instructions first. Okay guys, so we are set and now I'm just going to explore a little bit and watch some tutorials to see how I can thread the machine. So yeah, guys, I'm so excited. I waited for this for a long time. Okay, so I learned how to cast on and it's actually so easy. I'm really loving it and it's just insane that this is a kid's toy, and I actually think that's a really good toy for kids. I don't have kids, but one day maybe. So this is how it's going. I don't know what I'm going to do actually, because this is really thick and warm and we are currently almost in summer, so I don't know what am I going to do with this, but at the end, if I want to, I can just unravel this. But this is also a good training, so I'm not really like mad about it. Already changed colors. Also just wanted to show you this side. So here we have the pearls and on the other side we have the knit stitches. So guys, we finish and we have a little top. So this was just for me to get used to the machine and learn how to knit with it. And for the body part, I use the circular mold and then here the plain one, and then actually I just stretch a little bit and these curls. I think it looks really cute. I love the chunky core thing happening here, but actually I don't know if this is going to fit me, so I will find out after blocking. So I will let you guys know. And also I'm thinking on doing another video with the Sentro knitting machine, I'm sorry, and I'm just not sure what project, so I left a post for you to choose between a backless top or a skirt. So let me know what would you like to see. And thank you so much for watching. I really had a lot of fun, and yeah, I don't know how this is going to fit me, but we can't lose our hope. So this is the final project. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.